entry to the regional rounds in Kolkata, Bangalore and Mumbai this year. The winner would be welcomed at the Wills Lifestyle India Fashion Week and will go on to International Fair of Repute. Ladies and gentlemen, it's time now to welcome our first collection of this afternoon. And yes, before presenting our first collection, our fourth judge will be welcome amongst us, Professor from NIFT, Ms. Reneet Singh. Good afternoon, ma'am. So let's move straight away into our first collection, The Immortal Love by Prerna Jha.